Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you getting ready for a special occasion like a birthday party or wedding? Well, I have got some amazing hairstyle ideas for you that will make you feel like a royalty. So guys, the hairstyle that can make a princess look absolutely stunning. First on our list in the classic updo, this hairstyle is perfect for formal occasion and can be achieved by twisting and pinning the hair at the back of the head. Add some dedicated accessories like a tiara and jeweled hairpin to complete the look. Next, we have the half up and half down hairstyle. This style is perfect for a more casual look and is achieved by pulling back the top portions of the hair while leaving the rest down. Add some curl and wave to give it some texture and volume. Remember guys, when it comes to princess hairstyle, less is often more. Keep it simple, elegant, and always accessorize with care. With these tips, you will sure to turn head at your next royal event. So thanks for turning it to my video. I appreciate all the support and feedback you have given me so far. I am always looking for new ideas and topic to cover, so I want to hear from you. Let me know in the comment what you want to see in the next video. I want to make sure that I am creating content that you find valuable and informative, whether it's a tutorial or review or just a fun blog. I am open to suggestions, so don't be shy and let me know what you are interested in. And if you have not already, make sure to hit that subscribe button, so you don't miss out on this any of my future video. I am committed to bringing you the best content possible, so stay tuned for more. Thanks again for watching and supporting my channel. Let's keep the conversation going and create some awesome content together. Till then, bye, take care guys, and thank you for watching my video.